Hey guys, it's CoinCollector1024 here, and I did a trade this week with a fellow YouTuber. His name is Bo Diddley 0, and these are some of the coins I got from him. This first quarter though, right here, I won in a contest from Alpha the Awesome. Their links will be in the description. Go check out the channel. There's some nice videos. So here are the coins. I got 3 quarters. I got a 1941 MS64 Walking Liberty half dollar. Next is a 1964 proof half dollar. Also, I got a 1954 gold. It's a little golden toned around the edges. It's a proof quarter, 1954 proof. It's a nice cameo. And last but not least, the best thing that I got. I love it. It's a 1832 PCGS graded XF40. Small letters, bust half dollar. Put it in the loop. I got it today from Bo Diddley. It's really nice. I got it for a really good price. So yeah, these are one of my coin trades and the contest that I won this week. So yeah, please like and comment, and if you want, favorite and subscribe. Bye.